What up? What's good with y'all? If you guys ever seen one of my earlier videos, I had put a TL Type S steering wheel in the RL to see if it worked. Well, it didn't just stop there. Today, I'm going to be putting the TL Type S sport pedals in the RL as well. And we're going to really, change the whole look. I'm really excited. I anticipate this is going to really change up the driving experience. And it's all about the little details. That is what really counts to a nice clean build. The details and thought that counts. So we're going to start with the gas pedal. I'll show you how to remove that. And then, yeah, we're going to go on from there. All right, the first part requires us to pop this, if you can see, that tab off. It's pretty hard to do with one hand, but I gotta pop that off. There you go, got it off. And then push this pin through all the way through. And then it comes out the other side of the pedal, right there. That right there. Let me get it out. Maybe push the pedal down so it can come out. Yeah, right. This pin and this washer. Then you can pull the pedal back like this. And then, and you're gonna need this screw as well. And then push this button down. This tab, like this. Here, so actually go in front and push down like that. Yeah, push down. Now that I'm pushed down, I can just pull the pedal up like this. Boom. You look in here. This is the mechanism. So yeah. This is the TL pedal without the base mount, but it's just a cover, some rivets. And this is RL, same size, same shape. Gonna swap this cover over here. This is the brake pedal from an auto. I'm gonna see if this bracket is the same. If not, I'll have to take out these riv nuts and put in new ones. Look at the back of the pedal. See these holes? There's like these pilot holes there too. See those circles? You just drill those out. All right, accelerator pedal is in. Now on to the next is the brake pedal. Now, there's a lot easier ways to do this, such as getting the pedal on its own with the rivets and just pulling this rubber cover off and riveting it in. But I don't have a rivet gun on me right now, and I was able to get the entire bracket assembly from the TL, and by the looks of it, they're identical. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt that. We're looking for these 4 12mm, which are back there. And then we're gonna also have to pull this pin out for the brake booster, which will go right here. So yeah. All right, I got that cotter pin and that, I guess you'd call it a pin as well, out. So now the brake pedal kind of moves more freely. Unplug the brake switch, and then gonna loosen these bolts. I'll get back when I undo them all. All right, now at the top of this brake pedal, this last bolt is right there. That one right there has to come out. That's the same one that goes right here. All right, got the RL pedal out. It sucks because the RL setup is bolted in. Like, I could just swap that over. Whereas the TL setup is like tapped in or something. I don't know. Maybe I can cut this out and put it in. I mean, they're the same anyways. This looks odd though. It's like the placement of the pedal. Maybe I bent it or something. I could try to bend it back. But to be honest, it doesn't look bent. That bent. I don't know. Actually, it is bent. This is where the brake switch goes. So, I don't know. I don't think the pedal has that much travel to make up for that compared to right here. So, I'm gonna figure out a way to cut that off. This edge right here and slide this pedal out. All right, I'm gonna try to use the circular saw and shave this end off. So wish me luck. Remember your protective gear. Now this little big pin will come right out, and then our pedal lever's all the way out. All right, it's all out. Next steps are really simple. Just unbolt this side. It looks like there's some blue Loctite, so I don't expect it to be easy. I might use my impact socket. I mean my impact, you know what I mean. Then unhook this clip, and then things go in reverse and we reassemble. All right, now just a quick tip. Before you put it back in the car, you may want to adjust this brake switch. So the way this is supposed to work, this is the brake fully not pressed, right? You want this button to be all the way pressed in. So you twist this knob, you twist it and you can pull it out, and then once you get it to the right desired section, and you twist it just like that. So pressing the brake, off the brake, pressing the brake, off the brake, pressing the brake, off the brake. It works in the opposite. It knows that you're pressing the brake when you release the switch. All right, both in. Remember, be prepared to do further adjustment to this brake switch if you have to. You'll know it's not working if you press the brake and the brake lights don't come on, or if you press the brake and the car won't come out of park. So yeah. All right. Tough. Sitting from the inside, I love the view. I'm sure I'm gonna love the feel. I got the worst shoes on right now, some Crocs. Don't judge me, but I like it. Getting closer to that RL Type S aesthetic that I'm trying to achieve. You know, I'm trying to create something that should have been done. And so this whole inspiration for this build, if I haven't said it already before, is to create what I think the RL Type S would have been if it ever came out. So that means, you know, full A spec, nice colors like this blue, you know, hopefully do a big brake kit of some sort, 3.7, you know, supercharged. Yeah, it's gonna be something. What's up with y'all? Today I'm gonna do something pretty cool. So today, cut it. Hey yo, what's good with y'all? So today I got something kind of cool, a nice little accessory for the RL. If you're tired of your boring looking pedals that are all worn down, worry no more.